Root Beer here again. This time opening up a pack of Godzilla Renaissance Rivals. I should be looking for like the rare cards, but I don't know what the rare cards are. I will have to look into that. But we have Bagon 2001. Multi-purpose fighting system. Mecha Godzilla. Look at that. Then we got the Mothra larva. Can I show better? Then we got Godzilla captured. It's an interesting card. Then we got multi-purpose fighting system. That's a cool looking Mecha Godzilla card. I like that. And then we got land. Wow. Whatever. Hey! Doesn't this thing belong in TMNT? And last, we've got a nice little rage card there. And that's pretty awesome. Thanks for watching.